Medical Spa. Today, talking to you about hair restoration. So what do we do for hair restoration? We like to use a process called PRP, or platelet-rich plasma. So plasma is the liquid portion of your blood. It carries your nutrients, your hormones, your growth factors, all the proteins around to your body. It helps to basically fertilize and feed your body, give it all the nutrients it needs. What we do is we take this is a PRP collection system, a little small sample of your blood is taken, we spin it down, we harvest the platelet-rich plasma, so it has all 7 growth factors that your tissue needs to regenerate. We inject it in a quick 45-minute procedure back into the scalp. Within 1 to 2 treatments, you see your fallout slow down, sometimes even stop. After 2 to 4 treatments, you can see new growth happen. After that, what do you do for follow-up? Well, you can do this. This is an eye restore. This is an LED laser helmet. You can do this a couple times a week, or you can come back to us every 6 months. We do booster treatments for PRP. Does it work? Of course it works. Go online, look at the photos of me. I've already been doing this. You can see what my treatment's been like after just 2 treatments. You can do a free consult, you can book online, or give us a call. Take care.